Have you ever watched someone's drone footage and thought, how on earth do they make it look that smooth, that cinematic, that effective? Well, today you're about to learn exactly how. After years of flying drones across real estate sites, construction projects and marketing shoots, I've built a library of simple yet seriously powerful cinema moves that instantly elevate your footage. These are the moves that make clients say wow and make your edits feel like they belong in a commercial. The first move is one you've definitely heard of, but most pilots only use the basic version. Today I'm going to give you the variations that unlock its full potential, and this is the pivot. Lock your camera onto a subject, maybe a vehicle, building or a standout natural feature. Once you're locked in, glide the drone left or right. Smooth, controlled, intentional movements. But here's where it gets fun. You have a few options. A wide-angle pivot. Capture your subject and the surrounding landscape for a cinematic reveal. A close-up pivot is tight, focused, perfect for explaining details or highlighting a specific feature. And you can also use a hyperlapse pivot. Use it to show progress, movement or transformation, ideal for construction sites or busy environments. And if you're using waypoints, you can repeat the exact same pivot on every visit, creating a time lapse that shows real change over days, weeks, months, or even years. Number 2 is the parallax pivot. The trick is to fly smoothly around your subject, in this case a summit, while letting any foreground objects pass between you and the point of interest. The background shifts one way, the foreground shifts another, and your subject stays perfectly centered. This drone move gives your video a good sense of depth. Our next one is the pivot reveal. Now, as you focus the drone camera onto one object, here, a castle, you rotate the drone around to reveal something different. So we go from land on the right hand side to now revealing the sea. If you are flying a pivot in a town or a city where there are tall buildings, have a look at the down pivot. In this example, you see that the drone is fixed onto the church. It is high up, avoiding the neighbouring buildings and pivoting around safely. And this is a great option if you are doing tall structures, such as churches or cranes or other tall buildings. A great opening shot to a scene is the front reveal. Now in this example, the drone is fixed flying forwards. It's clearing the summit of that big hill and revealing the cove, the sea and the beach below. And this is a fantastic dramatic move. The pan reveal will help you to introduce the scene, give a different perspective when context is needed. In this shot, the drone is flying right to left from the land to reveal a clear blue sea next to a dramatic cliff face. The gimbal down reveal starts with the drone close to your object of interest. You will then need to push up gently on the stick that controls height to move the drone up in a smooth manner. This then reveals the dramatic scene surrounding the object in the centre of the camera. The gimbal down pan has the drone camera facing 90 degrees down to the ground. The drone is then flown forwards, backwards or sideways in a slow, controlled manner. This shot can be used to reveal the layout of a building or area of interest. A texture split shot is where the drone camera features two scenes that are dramatically different to one another on the same screen. In this example, the drone is flying forwards along a coastline. In this shot, the drone reveals both a dramatic landscape next to the sea. The rise up shot is a great dramatic scene setter. Start at the base or halfway up a structure, point the drone camera towards the object and gently increase the drone's height to capture the whole structure and landscape surrounding it. Make sure not to fly too fast as this can become blurry. Thank you very much for taking the time to view this video. I will be posting some more very soon.